हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज सीखेंगे हम कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियस, यूटिलिटी एनालिसिस एंड इंडिफरेंस कर्व एनालिसिस। तो इसका इकोनॉमिक्स का लॉ ऑफ डायमेंसिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी, DMU। दिस इज लॉ स्टेट that as a more and more standard units of a commodity are consumed, the marginal utility obtained from each successive unit goes to dimensioning. It is referred to a fundamental psychological law, the law of marginal utility. This law states that the consumer maximizing his total satisfaction will allocate his income among various commodities in such a way that the ratio of marginal utility with price of the last rupee spent on each commodity is equal. Return consumer equilibrium. It is referred to the situation in which a consumer gets maximum satisfaction from the purchase of commodity with a given income. Condition of consumer equilibrium in case of single commodity. In case of single commodity, consumer attain equilibrium when marginal utility of commodity, marginal utility of money, price of commodity. या तो उसके बाद वन कमोडिटी केस कर्व इज बेस्ड ऑन हाइपोटेक्निकल डाटा। उसके बाद कंडीशन ऑफ कंज्यूमर इन केस ऑफ टू कमोडिटी। इन केस ऑफ टू कमोडिटीज, कंज्यूमर अटेन्स इक्विलिब्रियम व्हेन marginal utility commodity x commodity y commodity, price of x commodity, price of y commodity, marginal utility of money, potential point of equilibrium, consumer's budget. It is the real purchasing power of consumer from which he can purchase certain quantity boundless of two or more goods at a given price. Budget set. Budget set. The budget set is the collection of all bundles that the consumer can buy with his her income at the prevailing market price. The question of budget set is given as budget line. It is a line showing different possible combination of two goods which cost exactly same as consumer income. Given is budget and the price of goods. Mono, Monotonic preference. It means more is preferred or less. The consumer will prefer the boundless which prices more unit of one goods and no less of other. Indifference set. It is referred to a set combination of goods that offer same level satisfaction to a consumer. It also signifies a consumer indifferent across any number combination is indifference set. Indifference curve. An indifference curve, the curve which represent all those combination of two commodities which given the same level of satisfaction to a consumer. Indifference map. A set of family of indifference curve corresponding to difference income level of a consumer is called indifference map. Properties of indifference curve. No. Indifference curve slope downward left to right because to increase the consumption of one good and the consumption of other good has to be reduced. Indifference curve is always convex to the origin because marginal rate of substitution tend to fall. Indifference curve can never touch or interact each other because the same combination of two goods cannot give a two different level of satisfaction. A higher indifference curve represents a higher level of satisfaction because of monotonic preference. Marginal rate of substitution MRS. MRS मतलब marginal rate of substitution. It is referred to the rate at which the consumer is willing to sacrifice one good to obtain one more unit of the other good. MRS means quantity of goods, condition of consumer equilibrium using the indifference curve analysis. According to the indifference curve analysis, a consumer is a equilibrium at a point where the slope of the indifference curve is equal to the slope of budget line. Second on the demand and price elasticity of demand. Demand define करता हूँ. Demand is defined as a quantity of a commodity that a consumer wishes to purchase in the market in a given period of time at various price of the commodity. Individual demand, it shows the quantities of commodities demanded by individual consumer at various price of the commodity. A market demand by all the consumer in the market at various price of a commodity is referred to as a market demand. Quantity demand is referred to a specific quantity which a consumer purchase against a specific price of commodity. Demand schedule, the represent of price and quantity demanded, it referred to the demand schedule. Individual demand schedule, it referred to the demand schedule of an individual buyer. It shows quantity of a commodity which an individual buyer will buy and different possible prices of that commodity at a point of time. Market demand schedule, it refers to the demand schedule of a commodity by all the consumer in the market. It shows different quantity of commodity which the consumer intend to buy at a different possible price of the commodity at the point of time. Demand curve. Demand curve is the graphical presentation of a price and quantity demanded. Individual demand curve, it shows demand a commodity made by an individual at different price at a point of time, or we can say it is a graphical presentation of an individual demand schedule. Market demand curve, it shows various quantity of a commodity that all the buyer in the market are ready to buy at different possible prices of a commodity at a point of time, or we can say it a graphical presentation of market demand schedule. Linear demand curve. A linear demand curve is said to be linear when its slope remains constant. Equation of linear demand curve is a give a quantity demand vertical intercept price of commodity and B is the slope of demand curve given as a PQ. Demand function, it shows the relationship between demand of commodity and various determinants. Individual demand curve function, it shows how demand of for a commodity by an individual consumer in the market is related to its various determinants of demand of its expressed as market demand function. अब लास्ट है market demand function, it shows a market demand and aggregate demand for a commodity in the market